Ever faced a math problem that looks incredibly complex, like this one? Today, we're going to break down how to solve this equation step by step, revealing its hidden simplicity. Our first move is to simplify the left side. Notice the pattern, x times x minus 1 times x plus 1. This is a classic algebraic identity. It's like finding a secret shortcut on a long road. Now our equation looks much cleaner. To make it even simpler, let's multiply both sides by 56 to clear the fraction. Next, we expand the left side and move everything to one side to set the equation to 0. This is a crucial step, as it allows us to find the roots. This is a cubic equation, and solving it directly can be tricky. But we can test potential solutions. Let's try plugging in the answer choices. Let's test option A, 15. When we plug it in, the result is not 0, so this is not the solution. Now let's try option B, 925. This also does not equal 0, so this is not the solution either. What about option C, 1? This also does not work, so this is not the solution. Finally, let's try option D, 95. When we plug this in, the result is 0. This is the solution to our equation. So the correct answer is 95. This problem might have looked intimidating at first, but by breaking it down and testing the options, we found the solution.